I'm Tristan McCauley from Lucky 7 Tattoo, and I'm going to show you how to remove a nose bone piercing. First and foremost, you want to make sure that the piercing is totally healed before you try to take it out. Taking it out too early or before it's totally healed can lead to an infection, which is not a pretty sight. Another thing, the best thing you could do is go to a tattoo shop or a piercing studio and have them remove it for you. But you want to make sure that they're a reputable place, they're licensed and regulated by the health department locally. If you don't want to do that, you can do it at home. It's pretty easy. You just push from the inside, putting a little bit of pressure on it, and it'll extend a little bit. You grab it by the bead on the end, give it a little tug, and it should come right out. After you have it out, you want to make sure, if you're trying to keep it, to put something else in there pretty soon, or the hole will close up. If you can't get it out initially, you might want to take a small set of clippers, like nail clippers or a small pair of nose trimming scissors. Just clip that little bead end off, and it should slide right out. And that's how you remove a nose piercing.